Hi, Will. I'm looking at your website. I was glad to see the portfolio section opened. I did want to show you that when I hit that button, the image isn't loading. So I didn't hit any of the other ones, but that one brought me back there. That one didn't do anything. So there's some issues with the linking. And if it's opening a new window somewhere else, maybe that's not the best way to do it because I'm not seeing it. You see all these other ones in my, I don't know if you can see this, but all the other ones that are showing up here are just a repeat of this home page. So you want to check your links to make sure that they're going just to these unique HTML pages, okay? All right, let me know if you have any questions.